Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on your Infinix Smart 9. First, it's crucial to ensure your device meets the game's requirements. Your phone should have at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Also, make sure you have ample free storage, ideally around 10 GB, to accommodate the game and its updates. This initial check prevents common issues and ensures a great gaming experience from the start. Once you've confirmed your device is ready, the next step is to download eFootball. Open the Google Play Store application on your Infinix Smart 9. Use the search bar to find eFootball and select the official game published by Konami. Tap the Install button and patiently wait for the game to download and complete its installation process. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch eFootball for the first time. The game will likely download additional data, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once loaded, you can choose your preferred control scheme, whether you like classic buttons or advanced touch controls. Take some time to explore the settings menu to adjust sensitivity and customize button placement for optimal comfort during gameplay. To enhance your eFootball experience, consider closing any unnecessary background applications before playing. This frees up valuable system resources for the game. If you notice any lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings for smoother frame rates. Finally, spend some time in the training mode to practice your dribbling, passing, and shooting skills. Mastering these basics will significantly improve your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.